I decided to join my first game jam. If you don't know what a game jam is, it's basically where a lot of artists and developers or designers gather to create games within a time frame. And usually you need to develop the game around a few rules and a theme. So I decided to join JamCraft 5, which has the rule of crafting, and they are going to reveal the theme in about 7 or 8 hours, I think. So I'm gonna check it out.
Alright, so I just woke up and the time is about 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna grab some coffee and check out the themes. This is the first day. IDs, announcements, here it is. Alright, so announcements. Alien and Expire. Alright.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for the last video. I got 5 new subscribers. Thank you, it means a lot to me. So the first thing I decided to do was get some ideas on the whiteboard. This was very helpful, even though I barely used any of them, but it helped me get my mind in. So the theme really stumbled me a lot. I had an idea of what I wanted to do, but it didn't fit in, unfortunately. But I think that makes it even more fun and challenging, because you really go in with a blank slate and create something, and I really like that a lot. But I'm really learning a lot from this jam, and I'm kind of hyped to join another one. We will see. I'm thinking about it. But it basically forces you to finish a game, and that's the important part, to finish a game. At least for me. Because I can easily start making a game, but I have trouble in finishing it. That's the main concern that I have, for me, at least. But let me know if you have participated in a game jam before, and if so, what did you learn from it? But my basic concept that I went with is that you're taking care of a space station, that you craft machines for it, process ore inside of it and stuff like that. I think it's really fun. But after that I created a game project and started working. I worked on some basic camera movements. I know that it looks like the player is moving, but trust me, it's the camera. Alright, so I have been thinking about how I should do the crafting, and this is what I came up with for the moment. Basically what you do is that you take that item and drag it there, and take that item and drag it there, and so on, and then you get the item back. So that's basic crafting. It's pretty simple, but I don't think it needs anything else. So I'm going to implement this UI, and we'll see how it looks. When I worked on the inventory, I noticed that I needed some graphics, so I opened Sprite and started working on some items for the game, a meteor, metal bar and so on. This was really nice. It's really changed the work environment. If you're stuck on something, leave it for later and work on something else. It helps me at least get over burnout and stuff like that. Alright, so I just wanted to do like a live recording of this. I've been coding like all day today. I'm currently working on this dude right here. It's an unit. I decided that this is going to be like an RTS game instead. So yeah, I've been doing some camera movement here that you can see. And I've also coded this cargo here, where you have some items that you can move around and like move around in the cargo. So yeah, they are not stackable yet, but they will be. But after day 1, this is what I had. An inventory and a crafting system. I was really happy about it until I had to scrap the crafting, because I noticed that I implemented it wrong and it was not going to scale with the project. So this is why you plan. So I've been spending all morning developing the energy system so we can cross that off. So I've been working a little bit on the UI, but it's not much now, but this is what I got at the moment. A little bit of a sneak peek there, but yeah, so day 2 I got a lot of graphics done for the game, like machines and so on. And I worked on a parallax background with a star field, which looks really awesome. I really like it. and I drew a player character. Then I wanted him to move, so I implemented a basic click to move function. But after that I had a go at A-star pathfinding, and it went kinda... yeah, you will see. The clock is like 2 in the morning right now, and I'm super tired, but I've implemented A-star pathfinding, and it has not been an easy task, and we're gonna try and see if this works now with this character. So I'm sorry if I'm stumbling a lot right now, but I'm super tired. Yeah, so let's see if this works. So if I just select this character and click here, everything crashes. Well, this is why you shouldn't use while loops. But that's everything for day 2. I didn't record much because I was really busy working on the project. But this game jam is super fun, and I'm really excited to get this game out there so you can play it. I will link the jam in the description if you're interested to join. But that's all from me for now. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you.